Now let's do practical of session 1, that is enter and edit the text in a spreadsheet. Do you know this is called spreadsheet, and in spreadsheet we can write down text. First thing, we can write down numbers like this 1, 2, 3. In this manner we can write down the numbers like this. We can also write down the text like this. Whatever text we want to write, we can write down like this. Now next point is formulas. For formula, now I'll make a table, and after that I'll tell you how we can use formulas in MS Excel. Now I'll tell you how you can use formulas. Suppose that here I write name, subject and Hindi and English. In Hindi and English, 2 subjects are here. Now I want to add these 2 numbers. How I can add? With the help of formula. Equal to sign. Then click on this. And now I want to apply addition operation. Mark the addition symbol. And then click on next, and then press the enter key. When you press the enter key, then sum will appear here. Now you can drag this in this manner, and when you drag, it shows the addition of all the numbers like this. Now we can also do these operations with the help of functions. Functions means what? These are predefined formulas in a calc. For example, I want to do sum with the help of function sum equal to. For sum, we use the sum function, then open bracket, then select the range. Suppose I want to choose from here to here up to here. Now close the bracket and then press enter key. It will show the sum of all Hindi, English and formula, means B, C and D. Here it will show the total, and we can also drag this for calculate the sum of all like this. One more function is there, that is min function. Suppose that I want to find out minimum value among all these values. How I can find? Equal to min bracket start, then click here, select the range, and then select the range and then close the bracket like this, and then press enter key. Among all these value, 192 is the minimum value, and if we want to find out the max, we write here equal to max and then again choose the range. It will give you the highest value. In a similar way, we can also calculate average, difference, today and count.